Welcome to this presentation on context-free languages. In this module, we will explore the properties and examples of context-free languages, which is an important topic in the theory of computation. So, what exactly are context-free languages? Context-free languages are the languages that are generated by context-free grammars. These grammars have production rules in a specific format. The production rules have the form A produces alpha. In this notation, A is a non-terminal symbol, and alpha represents any string of terminals and non-terminals. Essentially, a context-free grammar defines how non-terminal symbols can be replaced to generate strings in the language. Let's look at some examples of context-free languages. Example 1, language L is equal to A to the power n, B to the power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 0. This language consists of strings with an equal number of A's, followed by the same number of B's. Example 2, language L is equal to W to the power R, such that W belongs to the set of A, B, and star. This language includes all palindromes, which are strings that read the same forwards and backward, over the alphabet A, B. Let's consider a grammar example for balanced parentheses. The language L consists of all strings of balanced parentheses. Here's the grammar. S produces open parenthesis S close parenthesis S. The second production is S produces epsilon. In this grammar, S is a non-terminal symbol, the open and close parentheses are terminal symbols, and epsilon represents the empty string. These production rules generate strings where each opening parenthesis has a corresponding closing parenthesis. Now let's explore some properties of context-free languages. Context-free languages are not closed under intersection. This means that if you have two context-free languages, their intersection is not necessarily a context-free language. On the other hand, context-free languages are closed under union. If you have two context-free languages, their union is also a context-free language. Here are some more properties of context-free languages. Context-free languages are closed under concatenation. This means that if you concatenate two context-free languages, the resulting language is also context-free. However, context-free languages are not closed under complement. If you take the complement of a context-free language, the result is not necessarily context-free. The pumping lemma for context-free languages is a powerful tool to prove that a language is not context-free. If L is a context-free language, then there exists a pumping length P, such that any string S that belongs to L, with the length of S greater than or equal to P, can be written as S is equal to UVXYZ. Where the length of Vy is greater than 0, the length of Vxy is less than or equal to P, and uv to the power I xy to the power I z belongs to L for all I greater than or equal to 0. In summary, context-free languages are generated by context-free grammars, which have production rules defining how non-terminal symbols can be replaced. Context-free languages include languages like balanced parentheses and palindromes. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.